Hey everybody, hope you're having a great day today. So we're going to move on to the next section. If you have questions on parallel lines, please make sure you attend an open meet or reach out via email to one of us. So today we're going to talk about angles, specifically angles of triangles. So first I just want to talk about different types of angles, acute angles, right angles, obtuse angles, and we can mention straight angles too. But I just want to kind of identify which one of these angles is which. So acute angle. So which one of these angles is an acute angle? What does acute mean? Well, acute means that it has an angle less than 90 degrees. So which one of these angles is less than 90 degrees? Well, this one is 90 degrees. So that's 90 degrees. This is 180 degrees. This is bigger than 90 degrees. So this one here would be smaller. So this one is acute. A right triangle means it has one 90-degree angle, or a right angle is 90 degrees, so that would be here because of the box. That's how I know it's a right angle. Obtuse means bigger than 90, which would be this one here. And then we have a straight angle, which is right over here. Okay. So now we're going to talk about those with triangles, but also just today basically talk about how if we have any triangle that's any shape triangle, any size triangle, the interior angle measures of the triangle are always going to add up to 180 degrees. So the three angles inside of the triangle are always going to add up to 180 degrees. So if you have a shape with three sides, which is a triangle, those three angles inside will be 180 degrees. Now, if one angle in the triangle is bigger than 90 degrees, then it's an obtuse triangle. If there's one angle that's exactly 90 degrees, then it's a right triangle. And if all of the angles are less than 90 degrees, then it is an acute triangle. So there's three types of triangle. There's obtuse, right, and acute. All right, so we're going to use that to classify triangles. So it says find the value of x, then classify the triangle. So we have these three angles here. We know they're going to add up to 180 because they're the three interior angles of a triangle. So we'll add these up. That would be 80 plus x equals 180, and x equals 100. So if x is 100, well, what kind of triangle is it? So the angles are 32, 48, and 100. So we have one angle that's bigger than 90. So if one angle is bigger than 90, then it's an obtuse triangle. You can't have two angles 90 or bigger in a triangle because, again, they have to be three angles that add to 180. So obviously if you have one angle that's 90 or above, you can't have any more. Any more that are bigger than 90. Or 90 exactly. So for this one here, we have these three angles. We have x. We were going to add x plus 28. And then we're going to add 90. And we know that has to all add up to 180. So we'll simplify the left-hand side. We get 2x plus 118 equals 180. If I subtract 118 from both sides, I get 2x equals 62. So x equals 31. So this angle is 31, this angle is 90, and this angle is 59. So what kind of triangle is it? Well, there's one angle that's a right angle in the triangle, so that makes it a right triangle. Okay, so why don't you pause the screen now and try these two out. And then when you are ready, unpause the screen and see if we have the same answers. Okay, so for this one, we'd add the three sides up, 81 and 25. make 106 plus x equals 180. And if you subtract 106 from both sides, you get x to equal 74. So what kind of triangle is it? Well, 81, 74, and 25. All of them are less than 90, so it is an acute triangle. Here, we're going to add up all three sides. I'm sorry, not sides, angles. X plus x minus 35 plus 43 equals 180. And then we have 2x plus 8 equals 180. So 2x equals 172. And x is going to equal 86. So that means we have an angle that's 86 degrees. This one would be 51. This is 43. So again, this one's also an acute triangle. All right. So that is triangles and their interior angles. So any triangle, the interior angle adds up to 180 degrees. If all three angles are less than 90, it's an acute triangle. If one angle is 90 degrees, it is a right triangle. And if there is one angle that is greater than 90 degrees, it is an obtuse triangle. So, go ahead and start the online textbook assignment. And if you have any questions, please either put them on the Google Doc or attend the Open Meet at some point today. All right, guys, have a great rest of your day.